Morph is one of the most interesting features in VideoScribe. To learn about Morph, we are going to create a small project, making that dragon come to the center of our screen, then fly after the mountain. So what we need is a tree copy of that dragon and a nice background. So let me delete all the elements here, then we will start creating the project together. Select one of the elements, then click on Shift, then select the last element, then click on Delete to remove all the elements which you've downloaded from the resource files. And I'm going to remove that background, make it white, and remove the vignette here. We've got our original canvas. Now let's first go to add an image and look for our background image, which is the mountain scenery. We've got it here in the recent used images, but I am going to tell you how you are actually found it here in the category. Scroll down to the bottom and look for scenery here, which is online. Then scroll down to the next category or the next page and select that image. Then we will need to resize it so it fits our canvas. And now we are done with adding background. Now we need to add the dragon character. So again, go to add a new image, then type here dragon, then to search for the character, then hit OK, and you will find 7 results. Here, this one with the red line here need to be purchased, so you can use them. But we have a free one here inside our software. Select this one. Now what we need to do is to create a tree copy of that character. So the character is selected. Now go to the toolbar and click copy, then paste, then paste again. So this way we've got 3 characters. Let me move the background. We've got 3 characters of the dragon. So select the first one in your timeline, then push it here to the top, and select the second one and center it here. Then select the last one and move it to the end of the mountain. So the first one needs to be small, so we'll need to resize it or to scale it. And the other one also needs to be smaller. If you select an image in VideoScribe and want to zoom in to see it, it will be easy to just move your scroll wheel after you select it. Then you can make it a bit smaller. Let's go back again, and we are going to put that image after the mountain. We need to make it more smaller. I think that size is okay. So here we've got the 3 characters placed where we want them to be. I need to make this one smaller also. So go to your timeline, select it first, then resize it a bit, tail to be here. I want it to cover the mountain, so I will move it like that. You can resize it wherever the size you want it, so it would be easy if you do it yourself. Be more creative and try to do things yourself, so later if you want to create your own project, you don't want to follow the instructions step by step. So here we've got all the characters set in their place. Let me move also our centered character, change its size, and this way we've got all our characters set in their place. In the next video I will show you how to change the animation time and how to start playing your video.